That big storm that crossed the country just passed through here, and now it's pulling in a warm front. And I'm on my way to JR's. We're going to do some shop bonding time and put the final touches on this thing. Alright, we're working on the rear end. Speaking of butts.
Yeah.
This thing has a big ass, doesn't it?
It's nice.
Doing the swing arm bearings, greasing the swing arm bearings.
Cleaning things up.
Cleaning things up.
Clean as you go.
And the linkage bearings, and then we'll move on to the front. But I'm not telling you what I'm doing as far as accessories, because while we have things off, I'm going to do the final accessories.
It's a secret.
It's a secret. Yeah, documentation of our fine work. So all the linkage is greased, the swing arm bearings are greased, the axle's greased. I made a change, maybe you can pick it up, maybe you can't, but we'll talk about that when we do the mods video. Onward and upward to the front end. Oh, we're still at 100% power. My spicy wasabi batteries seem to be doing the trick. All right.
Off with the nut behind the wheel.
Listen, be careful with that.
Yes. Want to throw a rag over it?
You already scratched my tank once.
Nah, this is gonna be fine.
Anyways, we're ready to grease the steering head bearings and do the final setup on the front end. So, see you soon.
See you soon, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube. JR, you're getting fancy now.
Yeah,
You're getting your shyness is leaving you. As a supplement, when they say these bikes aren't very well greased from the factory, that bearing is shiny and dry. Completely dry. I could probably lick it.
And we haven't seen the top one yet.
Yeah, I haven't seen the top bearing yet, but I'm assuming it's exactly the same. Completely dry.
And that's the top one.
Top bearing, not even a touch of grease on it. Completely dry. No grease at all. Good thing we got in here. So if you are a DRZ owner, get in there and grease it. Thanks, JR. After many hours, many hours and many rags, the greasing is done.
Half a can of brake clean.
And the final parts are added. So stay tuned for the modifications and updates.
Don't worry, he will update you.